Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Acura TL headlights. First, gather your essential tools like a ratchet, various sockets, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have the correct replacement bulbs for your specific Acura TL model. It's also important to choose a well-lit and safe area to work, ensuring you have enough space to move around comfortably and safely. This preparation will make the process much smoother. Now, let's get to the headlights. You'll need to carefully remove the front bumper. This usually involves a few clips and bolts, so take your time. Once the bumper is off, you can access the headlight assemblies. Disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the lights and then unbolt the entire headlight unit from the vehicle. Keep all your removed fasteners organized so nothing gets lost. With the headlight assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. Gently twist and remove the old bulb from its housing. When handling the new bulb, it's crucial to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Use gloves or a clean cloth. Carefully insert the new bulb into the assembly, ensuring it's seated firmly and correctly before twisting it to lock it in place. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reattach the headlight assembly to the vehicle and reconnect all the electrical plugs you disconnected earlier. Then, carefully refasten the front bumper, making sure all clips and bolts are secure. Once everything is back in place, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlights to ensure they are working properly and are aligned correctly. Great job, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.